bring me a container with a capacity of 50 ml. Who can bring it 50 ml?
2 minutes.
Okay, 50 ml.
Ma'am, I bring it.
50 ml.
Yes,
Is it 50 ml, beta? Okay, Meet
Yes,
has
ma'am.
brought it. Okay, so the winner for this activity is Meet. Let us see who will come second and who will come third. Very good, Meet. Good.
मैम 50 के ऊपर होएगा तो भी चलेगा?
नहीं बेटा, exactly 50 ml.
मैम जैसे 25 मिलीग्राम.
No बेटा 50 ml. Just turn on your videos. I would like to see. Meet has brought it. Like Meet was the first to bring it.
Ma'am, I have bring. Ma'am, I have bring.
Just show me. Show it to me. Your videos are not visible, beta.
Ma'am, my video is on.
Akshi, is it 50 ml?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, first was Meet, second was Rupkata, and third was Akshi. So, three of the students just brought it. Three students ने bring की. सबसे पहले Meet ने की, but first one in this activity is Meet. Okay? चलिए. Now the second capacity is, let me think, 500 ml. 500 ml.
Ma'am, bring.
उसकी लोशन की बोतल लिया.
Ma'am, bring.
Meet is ready with that. Meet has kept all the capacities with him. Okay, Meet, 500 ml is with you. So Meet is the winner in this activity also. Let us wait for other students to bring. Is it 500 ml, Rupkatha?
Mama, it is 500.
Okay, so first, Gaurav, it's sorry, Rishabh, it's how much is this? कितना ये? So first one was Meet, second one was Rupkatha, and third one is Rishabh in this activity. चलिए.
धीरे. वो 300 ml.
Ma'am,
Okay,
500
ठीक है.
ml.
500 ml. Okay, ठीक है. चलिए. We will find out 5 capacities only. हम 5 capacities की activity होगी. ठीक है. अभी third activity is just find out anything that has written 10 ml on it. 10 ml. 10 ml.
10 ml की कौन? 10 ml.
10 ml.
Ma'am.
इसमें 5 ml होगा. मीट 5 ml है. 10 ml भी लिखा है क्या इसमें?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. 10 ml. 10 ml.
Okay. So this time Meet again Meet has won this. Meet के पास सारी capacities already ready हैं. Second one is Rupkatha, right? So first one is Meet, second one is Rupkatha. Good Rupkatha. And after that Meet, but this is not fair. आप अपनी सीट से उठ भी नहीं रहे हैं, but आपके पास सारी capacities ready हैं. Okay, 3 हो गए हैं. ठीक है. First one is Meet, second is Rupkatha, third one is Akshi in this activity. Okay, let's like next one is very easy, but let's see Meet, but this time you will not bring anything from your desk. You will have to go and find it out. Okay? Okay, Meet? चलिए ठीक है. So just find something with 250 ml with a capacity of 250 ml.
250.
Low, very good. This time Rupkatha is the winner because she had this bottle. And who else can find out a bottle or something with 250 ml of capacity?
250 ml.
Okay, Rishabh. Second is Rishabh.
Yeah.
Who else can find out?
Ma'am, 2 minutes.
Soumya and Somil. You are not participating in the activity. Soumya and Somil. Okay, and बेटा just participate in it ना. It's very interesting. आपको कैपेसिटीज हमारे घर में हम कैसे यूज करते हैं, हाउ डू वी यूज इट इन आवर होम्स, वो हमें पता चलता है. चलिए, अभी जो सबसे लास्ट वन है, दैट इज अ कैपेसिटी ऑफ, जो आई थिंक थोड़ा सा मुश्किल होगा आपके लिए फाइंड आउट करना. अ कैपेसिटी ऑफ, let me think of some capacity that is okay, 1.5 ml. Okay, Soumya is not at home, that's why he's not participating.
Ma'am, what?
1.5 ml. 1.5 ml.
Ma'am, देखो.
Is it 1.5 ml, Rishabh? No, it's not 1.5 ml. नहीं, इस पे बिल्कुल ये छोटा सा है. 1.5 मीन्स होता है 1 लीटर एंड 500 मिलीलीटर्स. 1.5 ml.
मैम, ये देखो.
What is written on it, ऋषभ? क्या लिखा है इस पर?
मैम 1.5 ml चाहिए.
हाँ जी, 1.5 ml. Let's see who will find it first. 1.5 ml. I am giving you a hint. You can find a bottle of Coke or Pepsi that is 1.5 ml. You can find that out. An old bottle of Pepsi or Coke that is 1.5 ml.
मैम, 1.5 ml.
No, not found. नहीं मिल पाया. चलिए ठीक है, लेट अस वेट. हाँ जी,
मिल. मैम, मिल गया.
यस अक्षी. व्हाट इज रिटन ऑन इट अक्षी?
मम्मा अर्थ क्रीम.
क्या लिखा है इस पर?
मैम, मम्मा सोप. मैम, मम्मा
क्या
अर्थ
लिखा है इस
सोप.
पे बेटा?
मैम, इट इज 1.5 ml.
बेटा 1.5 हो ही नहीं सकता वो. सॉरी, 1.5 लीटर था. आई वाज मिस्टेकन. 1.5 लीटर. 1.5 लीटर. 1.5 ml तो बेटा उसमें नहीं लिखा होगा, उसमें 15 ml लिखा होगा. रूपकथा इज करेक्ट. रूपकथा ने इसको मींस 1 लीटर एंड 5.5 मिलीलीटर. तो मींस 1 लीटर एंड 500 मिलीलीटर. 1.5 लीटर की जो आती है ना पेप्सी बोतल, रूपकथा इज करेक्ट. इज इट 5 ml? रूपकथा,
Yes,
is
ma'am.
it 1.5 liters that you have?
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Okay, good, good, good. ठीक है. Yes, मीत आप बताइए. चलिए, very good. You all have done good in your activities. So I am giving the marks. First one जो था, it was Meet. Meet के पास all the capacities were ready. But in terms of hard work, I say Rupkata and Akshi, they did their best. They were moving around their house and finding out the capacities. So very good. I would like to appreciate you three. And Gaurav also and Rishabh also. Rishabh, good that you were finding the capacities. Very good. So and Somil and Soumya, I think that आपके पास circumstances कुछ ऐसे नहीं हैं जो आप एक्टिविटी में पार्टिसिपेट नहीं कर पाए. बट वेल डन. सो इस तरह से कैपेसिटीज जो होती हैं हमारे पूरे घर में ना, हम किचन में जाते हैं, वॉशरूम में जाते हैं या फिर कहीं भी जाते हैं, हमारे पास कैपेसिटीज जो हैं हर जगह मिलती हैं. सो दैट्स हाउ वी यूज कैपेसिटीज इन आवर डेली लाइव्स. ओके, सो प्राउड ऑफ यू एवरीवन एंड वी विल कीप ऑन डूइंग अदर एक्टिविटीज इन द नेक्स्ट चैप्टर्स. अभी हम अपने चैप्टर पे स्टार्ट करते हैं. ओके
Okay, ma'am.
ओके चलिए